Keeping track of the watering schedules and ensuring the plants get their fair share of water is quite a task. It's challenging and time-consuming, and more often than not, we end up doing it haphazardly. We know how vital it is to keep your plants hydrated, so why put them at risk? If you're looking for a new hose timer, our guide will help you narrow down the best option for your situation. Number 1. Orbit Single Outlet Hose Watering Timer. Those with smaller lawns or gardens that don't need multiple watering zones should consider this budget-friendly 2-pack of hose timers from Orbit. After popping 2 AA batteries into each, simply connect the hose timers to 3/4-inch water valves to automatically control the watering schedule of the lawn and garden. Each hose timer can be set to a water duration range of 1 minute to 240 minutes, 4 hours. Additionally, each timer can be programmed to a frequency of once every 6 hours to once every 7 days, with a specific time to activate throughout the scheduled time period. Other features include a rain delay function that can be set to skip watering for 24, 48, or 72-hour periods, as well as a manual override button that allows for even more flexibility in the watering schedule. These hose timers have been tested for operation at a maximum water pressure of 100 psi, which is more than the average water pressure for most homes, 30 to 80 psi. However, we've noted an occasional water hammer effect because its valve shuts off very quickly, so you may want to attach it to a water hammer arrestor to protect your pipes. Pros: up to 240 minutes of watering time. Manual override button. Handles up to 100 psi water pressure. 6-year warranty. Cons: batteries not included. Number 2, Orbit 62034 Mechanical Watering Hose Timer. Without the bells and whistles of a digital timer, the Orbit 62034 Mechanical Watering Hose Timer is a budget-friendly option for your garden. Unlike more advanced models that start automatically at set times, this unit works more like an egg timer. You manually start it, and it shuts off when the set time has elapsed. All you have to do is twist the dial to your desired watering duration, from 15 to 120 minutes, and the timer takes care of the rest. Because of its mechanical design, this timer requires no batteries, and it has a manual watering setting in case you need to use your hose for another task. The simple design requires no programming, so you can just twist it into place and start using it immediately. Its high-impact construction should last for several seasons. Turn the dial to the time you want it to water, and simply walk away. It'll turn the water off when it's done. This means that also, like the Instapark, you have to be home to start it, but for a basic model which frees you up for other tasks, this is a great little unit. The only reason I rate it lower than the Instapark is because it doesn't look as streamlined. Otherwise, it's nearly identical in function. Pros: inexpensive. Simple operation. No batteries required. Manual override setting. Cons: manual start. Number 3, Orbit 21004 B-hyve Smart Hose Faucet Timer. The Orbit 21004 B-hyve Smart Hose Faucet Timer connects to your phone via Wi-Fi, allowing you to create highly customized watering schedules for your garden. The single hose timer's technology provides watering recommendations based on factors such as slope, soil type, sun/shade conditions, and historical weather data. It also takes into account live weather forecasts, ensuring your plants aren't over or underwatered. Thanks to these smart abilities, the B-hyve timer can help you to save water. It's even certified by the EPA's WaterSense program. This hose timer has a brass connection that's more durable than most plastic pieces, and it operates on 2 AA batteries. It requires water pressure from 10 to 100 psi, and the timer connects to any standard 0.75-inch garden hose. Its Wi-Fi hub needs to be plugged into an outlet inside your home, while the manufacturer says you can expand the system with additional timers. We've seen problems when trying to control multiple units at the same time. Just be aware, this model's only for use in North America. They have international versions of it available abroad. Pros: smart capabilities. Metal construction. Automatically adjusts watering based on local conditions. EPA WaterSense certified. Cons: problems using multiple units. Number 4, Orbit 58910 Programmable Hose Faucet Timer. The low price and straightforward operation of this timer make it a great choice for those just starting out, or who don't want to deal with complicated instructions. Its easy-to-read rotating wheel lets you quickly adjust the timer settings, and the raised rubber buttons are comfortable to press. Also, just because it's hooked up to your spigot doesn't mean you're committed to your programmed schedule. A convenient manual button lets you override the system if you need the faucet for another use, like washing the car or spraying down your trash cans. It comes with 2 outlets and operates with a rotary dial mechanism. It has a swivel connection and features a display screen. The timer is battery powered and retains all programmed settings even when the battery is removed. Its rain delay feature can pause watering for 24, 48, or 72 hours. The watering duration can be set from 1 to 240 minutes, while the watering frequency is adjustable from every 6 hours to every 7th day. You can also choose to manually water your lawn without disturbing your programming. Pros: weather-resistant construction, 2 outlets, simple to install. Cons: no remote control. Number 5, Orbit 57900 12-station outdoor sprinkler system timer. Designed to control an impressive 12 sprinkler stations, this Orbit sprinkler timer would be a perfect fit for those with a lot of grass to maintain. Its impressive functionality allows you to really dial in the settings and timing of all your sprinklers, thanks to 3 program options and 12 start times. For an additional cost, you can also connect a standalone rain sensor to the unit, making it even more effective. Since it will prevent wasting water on rainy days, this extra investment could pay for itself in the right climate. Its heavy-duty lockbox exterior also prevents tampering or weather damage. In a weatherproof cabinet, this Orbit 57900 automatic 12-station timer is ideal for outdoor use as well as indoor use and has an internal transformer that offers easy plug-and-go installation, with easy-set logic programming. Scheduling and running any misting or sprinkler system is a breeze. The Orbit 12-zone water timer has an easy-to-read LCD digital display with a dial that makes this irrigation controller simple to use. The Easy Set Logic Timer is available in 4, 6, 9, or 12-station versions. Pros: can be mounted inside or outside, simple to install, affordable price.